Okay, so now just going to place the, you can see it, it'll be difficult to see this properly I think. We could do with 3 more cameras. We'll have to do. So I've already got spaces in the board. It comes with the Antec Haze came with 6 already, and I measured up the spare ones and put them in. I'm just going to put the IO shield in, which I'm guessing goes in like that. Right, which way does it go? I'll go push it in from here. I'm just going to go that way. Okay, not too hard. I feel late. Okay, let's get it stuck. This is why I have rehearsals. Okay, well, I'm definitely going that way, so I have to slide it in. Not obvious how it slides in. See it very easily, but just slides in. Okay, there's a push out tray. I went on that, so we have to go from the bottom. There's no way to fix it. And they don't like putting too much pressure on anything in this. It looks so easy on YouTube. Okay, obviously I'm doing something wrong. So I'm expecting it just to snap into place now. Okay, yes. Okay, that sounded right, that sounded wrong. Top bit right. And just this bit. Oh, it'll snap into place there, don't you? Okay, so semi-snapping into place. Let's put the foil. Okay, there's trial and error there, but it snaps into place. It's okay. So everything's showing. Put it in. Yeah, okay. I think that's the right way to do it.